Alright, what we have here is this HandleBand is what they call it. Pretty easy name. It's a universal smartphone mount for your bicycle. You can see the picture here. It mounts on the stem. I mean, this is a genius design. There's nothing fancy about it. It can move around, meaning it can go like on the handlebar, it can go on the stem, it can go on the frame. It literally is a one-shop kind of clip-on, snap-on, I don't know how else to describe it, but it's universal. It stretches to fit over most phones, but importantly, most phones with or without cases. Different diameters of the handlebars as well. I paid $20 for it. I think that's a steal. It comes in white as well as black were the two colors that I could find. And again, this is not something that is at all difficult to install and or figure out. It does have just basically, this is the universal clip that'll go, this obviously, this part will go on the stem of the handlebar, and then it, as you can see, it wraps around the bottom and then over the top of the phone with a very easy on-off installation if needed. So it's kind of a hard, pliable, very dense plastic material. Feels very sturdy. This base part is pretty darn thick. I can barely squeeze this, and then of course the clip that goes through it is metal, but it's a fairly thick metal, as you can see. It looks like aluminum. It would be what I would guess, but for $20, this thing is probably pretty easy to choke and to get onto the bike and have fun. So I'll show a quick video how to install it, but I mean, right now at this point, I would highly recommend this thing. Alright, so here is the HandleBand that we got here. So again, this is our installation video. You can put it here, you could put it here, you could put it here on the frame. I'm probably going to mount it here. And the ease about this thing is basically this will come over the bottom of it. So as it comes through the bottom, you do your first clip on this side, and then your leftovers here is where you're going to put your phone in here, depending on how you want to mount it. And then this piece right here, once you stretch this over, I'm using my phone actually to make this video, and just envision the phone here. Once you stretch this over, this hole right here is going to clip right there, and your phone is not going to go anywhere. So hope that helps. Piece of cake to install, easy to uninstall if needed, movable from the handlebar, stem, the frame, wherever you want it. For $20, you can't go wrong.